Yo, you will not be disappointed with this, okay? This Brussels sprout taco, like fire, 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 okay? Hey YouTube, what's good, y'all? I am just jumping in here really quick to show y'all a really quick, easy meal. It is Brussels sprout tacos, okay? Right here, I am rinsing them very well, getting the dirt off of them. I'm gonna chop them up into the sizes that I want them to be. Pretty chunky, so just chopping them up into the sizes that I want them so we can stuff it into the shells. These are bomb, okay? Don't sleep on them. They fire and easy to make. Rinsing them off. Since a lot of the leaves fell loose, there's still a little bit of dirt in there, so I'm rinsing off that dirt very good. These Brussels sprouts, y'all know you gotta really wash them, keep them really clean. The seasonings, okay, random seasonings. I wanted chili lime, so I got some bagel seasoning. It's pretty good. Then I'm going in with y'all know, my avocado oil. Okay, I put that shit on everything. But yeah, drizzling with some avocado oil. I'm gonna put my seasonings on top. I'm going heavy with the chili powder, chili powder. I want that chili to really sit and be like the bite of the flavor when you bite into the taco. Then I'll be going in with that citrus bagel seasoning. These seasonings are very mild to flavor, but they kind of give like a pop, so they're very mild, but you do taste it. This is my first time cooking with it. I don't really use it for bagels because I don't eat bagels, but yeah, I just thought something nice. This jalapeno kind, you do taste that kind. You do taste it. You get a kick out of that when you put it on here. I did taste that in the tacos, so I'm just putting it on there. Very hefty. Going in with my lime juice. Now you can do your lime after you've cooked everything. You could go in last with your lime. I wanted to cook the lime flavor in there. It kind of went very well balanced with that citrus flavor that I used. So yeah, I put a whole lime in here too. So y'all put a whole lime, or before or after, however you want to do it. And yeah, so after I did the lime juice, I'm still squeezing the lime, obviously, y'all. I could have sped this part up, but I don't know why. I guess I wanted y'all to see everything. But after I squeezed the lime juice, I shook it up very well in the container that I was using. I just shook it up in there, got it really mixed up, got that flavor going up in there. You don't have to let this sit. You just want to, get the flavor moving in there. So shaking it up or stirring or, mixing it up however you want to would be the best. Y'all got a cast iron skillet. So now here I'm browning the butter. This is brown butter chili lime Brussels sprout tacos, okay? So this is the butter. I'm browning my butter here. That was about 2 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, it's turning into that liquid gold, that brown color. And I'm just browning it up, trying to make sure that it's not burning, but it does. Have y'all ever had brown butter? It tastes good. Like, you could do this and just drizzle it over some popcorn. Add in my Brussels sprouts, okay? Y'all see the flavor sitting on them Brussels sprouts? Fire. It smelled good. Really good. Just mixing that brown butter in there, making sure that it's getting all throughout the Brussels sprouts. It wasn't a lot, so you don't need a whole lot. Remember, we did use the avocado oil, so you do not need to go heavy with the butter. And yes, the butter gives it that caramelization and really gets it going. Putting my taco shells in the oven, y'all. I told you I'm working on my angles, okay? So yeah, had a little mess up here, but yeah, put my taco shells in the oven because them Brussels sprouts was looking good. You can roast these. I was going for a roasted look, so that's what I did. I went head on and got them looking roasted, even though it was all done in a cast iron skillet, and I fried them up like this. They were very good. I stuffed them in the taco shells, as you guys can see. Now I'm just going over with some Pico De Gallo. Oh guys, this is very vegan friendly. If y'all are going vegan or just want a meatless meal, this is fulfilling and vegan friendly for sure. Topping it with some chunks of avocado. I love avocado. So yeah, some chunks of avocado. Now I'm going in with my salsa verde. This is green salsa verde. I wanted it hot, so green salsa verde, no cheese, y'all, no dairy. Like I said, this is very vegan friendly. This is a really cool go-to meal. You could teach your teenage kids to make it. I was definitely teaching my kids because I don't be wanting to cook all the time. So yeah, this was it, y'all. Fire. I thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all drop them purple hearts in the comments. Let me know y'all making these meals. I know this is kind of different, but thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.